Welcome to our recipe channel. Today, I will show you how to make a delicious no-bake cheesecake with a smooth and creamy texture. The crust is made with butter cookies, which add a delicious crunch to the cheesecake. The recipe is easy to follow and requires no baking, making it perfect for this hot summer. To start, line an 8-inch springform pan with parchment paper. To make the crust, put the butter cookies in a food processor until it turns into fine crumbs. Add the melted butter and stir with a rubber spatula till completely incorporated. Evenly spread the cookie crumbs into the springform pan and press the cookie crumbs into the bottom. Refrigerate the pan for 20 minutes. Now it's time to make the filling. Melt the white chocolate. Add the melted chocolate to a medium bowl, then add the cream cheese and the vanilla extract. Beat the mixture with an electric mixer at medium speed till it is smooth. Grab a separate small bowl and add the heavy cream, whip it to medium peaks. Gradually fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture. Pour the mixture into the springform pan and spread it out evenly. Fill the mold until there are no gaps or pockets of air left. Level the top evenly and cover with cling film. Refrigerate for 6 hours or overnight. After the time has passed, unmold the cheesecake and decorate it with the desired topping. Serve and enjoy! Thanks for tuning in to our no-bake cheesecake recipe video. We hope you enjoyed learning how to whip up a delicious dessert without turning on the oven. This creamy and easy-to-make cheesecake is the perfect treat for summer. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we look forward to bringing you more tasty recipes in the future.